Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix unable to connect to server in Call of Duty. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first is test your internet connection. Restart your router, unplug your router for 5 to 10 seconds and then plug it back in. You can also check your internet speed and then switch to wired connection if you are using wired connection for a more stable connection. Reduce network load, disconnect all the devices or stop downloads or uploads that could be consuming bandwidth. Number 3 is to restart the game and device. Close the game completely and relaunch it. Restart your console, PC or mobile device to clear any temporary glitches. Next is heading over to your start menu and then typing settings. And once you're inside here, tap on the apps option. And then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down, locate Fortnite and then click on it. Let me just assume this WS access is the Fortnite option. And then once you're here, click on it, you'll find advanced options. And now inside here, scroll all the way down and you'll find the option that says reset. Simply click on it, and then once that process is complete, try again and that will fix the issue. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.